Hello everyone, I'm making today's video to teach you how to check blood pressure and its importance. Blood pressure is very important tool to measure cardiovascular health, so we can assess blood pressure through two different methods. One is auscultatory methods and second is palpatory method. In this video I will teach you auscultatory method. Let's get started. First of all, you need to prepare patient. Patient should be relaxed always and seated comfortably at least for 5 minutes. And her arms should be supportive at heart level, feet flat on ground, back supported. Avoid caffeine, smoking or exercise for at least 30 minutes before measurement. Ensure no tight clothing on arm. Now I will demonstrate the procedure to you. For checking blood pressure, we need stethoscope and sphygmomanometer. Always check stent before keeping on artery. And the sphygmomanometer have 3 parts as shown in the picture. So you can see this is the bulb, cuff, and cuff should always be at appropriate size. This is the scale with mercury. Now I will start with patient. This is the cubital fossa. Always apply cuff 2 to 3 cm above cubital fossa and make sure a mark on the cuff should always be at brachial artery. Keep diaphragm of the stethoscope on brachial artery. Then after closing the knob, keep your fingers on radial artery to check pulse via palpatory method. Then start inflating. Please check mercury, how it goes up once I start inflating the cuff. Once you stop feeling the pulse on palpatory method, at that point inflate the cuff 20 to 30 mm mercury more and then start deflating the air from the cuff. Note the point where you start hearing first sound, which will be systolic blood pressure of the patient. Then continue deflating. Where sound disappears, that will be diastolic blood pressure. Note both these points. That will be the blood pressure of the patient. Normal blood pressure of the patient is 120 by 80 mm of the mercury plus minus 10, which varies with age and patient to patient. Plus minus 10 means blood pressure could be 110 by 70 or it could be 130 by 90. So it always depends on age or patient to patient. So whenever you see the blood pressure is 140 by 90 mm of the mercury in two different points or different occasions,